All right. Hello. Appreciate you guys watching this and all your hard work on our editing. So I learned this to deal with days where it's actually raining. And so you can see here, especially in this dark area, we've got rain. It was raining. Um, so you can see here, all these pictures are pretty much the same, taken all in a row. But if you zoom in here, as the rain falls, the raindrops are all in a little bit different place. So I really don't know that if we need all of these photos. There's like, I don't know, 12 of them here. You might only need 3 or 4. You can figure that one out. But if I take these all into layers as Photoshop, or layers in Photoshop, and I shot a lot of these today, not on the tripod. I shot them like these types of photos where it was raining. Shot them handheld so that I wouldn't have to mess with the tripod. It's quicker in the rain. Oh, whoops! Hang on. This was the one where I tried it earlier. I'm gonna remove this one. Where's remove? Okay. So let's auto align all these because this was handheld. Okay, so with all of these selected, I'm going to change this from normal to darken. And you can see what it does. If we zoom in here to where the raindrops were, if we put it back to normal, there's all the rain, darken. So basically when it's taking all these layers, and if the pixels are brighter, like if there was a raindrop there, it takes it away. So it's you can tell it also, it doesn't just do it in these dark places, it does it, you can see the rain there. Oops, and then taken away. So it's possible, it's possible on some of the photos that you have several of them. If you don't see raindrops, you don't need to use it. But if you see raindrops in the photo, you can see it here. And you put it on darken, and it goes away. So for me, I would probably then flatten it and then take it back into Lightroom. So you can see the difference between that one. Oops. There we go. So there's just a regular shot. There's with the darken. So hope that helps. If you have more questions, just tell me, and I'll make another one, try to explain it better. So thanks again, guys.